Hey guys, it's Ta. Well, today, as you saw on the thumbnail and title, it is Michael's Grab Box Day. My store had them. They came out late yesterday, but I wasn't able to get them, but I got them this morning. I got there right at opening, and I was the only one in the store. It was great. They had about 20 boxes left. I picked 5, plus they had the wreaths this year, so I went ahead and got 1 set of wreaths. It's 2 wreaths for $4. So I'll show you those first. And they are zip tied together. Ugh, see if I can get it. This is the first wreath. And it was $74.99. And the other wreath is this one. It's got the cotton, the leaves, some berries. And this one, I believe, was the same price. Let's see. Is there a tag? I think this tag got ripped off, but... Wait, is that it? Oh, this one was $59.99. Not really much size difference to say the price difference. But, pretty cool score for $4. Alright. And you know the deal. All boxes have been untaped, but nothing has been looked at. So let's get into the first box. Ooh. First thing is a Martha Stewart wood window clings 12-piece count. And it is, looks like cracked glass to put on your windows, mirrors. Don't know retail price on it. Nothing's on it. Then a bag of spider web. Some foam pieces that are ghost. It is a 30-piece count, retailed $7.99. Some moss, US price $4.99. The black moss 1-ounce bag. Looks like I got a couple picks in here. I got this one. It's missing 2 flowers, but hey, not bad. This was $4.99. This is a skull pick. It was $5.99. This is a skeleton pick. It was also $5.99. So pretty cool. Oh, a second skeleton. A felt sewing kit by Creatology. This was $2.99 and it is a vampire. Palm pencil topper kits. If only I had pencils. But this is 218 pieces. It makes 6. And you can do a ghost, pumpkin, and a spider. And it was $7.99. Oh, another pick. It's just a skull head. I assume it would be same price as the others, which was $5.99. A birdhouse. Oh no, not a birdhouse. It looks like a birdhouse. It is a DIY Halloween pre-lit wood. And it's a cat. I guess you just drop, I don't know how you open it to get something in there. Anyway, it was $5, so I could probably paint it and maybe shove a small tea light through because it doesn't look like it opens. Then, ooh, this is nice. It is a glow-in-the-dark frosted Halloween glass container. It is a skull. It was $5. This is pretty nice. Put some foam in it, maybe with some flowers or something. Another bag of cobwebs. And then I got 2 of these pumpkins. This one was $20, and it's just a simple orange. And this is a smaller version, and this was also $20. And the last 2 things in this box a roll of ribbon. It's purple glitter. It was $3. And then this tape that says biohazard infectious area, and it's green. It's 50 foot and it was $2.99. Put this back in. Alright, the next box. That wasn't a bad box at all. I really like that glass skull head. Let's see, we start off with some more picks. This one needs a little help. It looks like it came unglued. Let's see, well, that one's missing a whole head. So I got three of the skull picks. One big skull pick. This one was $4.99. Then the skull was $2.99. I could easily add a pick to it if I want it. What's this? Ooh, a light up skeleton. X-ray. That is super cool. And this was $27.99, guys. Wow, I would not have paid that price for this. Maybe 90% off, even 80% off maybe. Oh, some DIYs. Keep out wooden sign. This was $15 and I got 2 of them. So I can paint that, make it really creepy looking. Oh, that's neat. I got another one of the shorter pumpkins. This was $20. A bag of purple glitter moss. Oh, 2 bags of that. These were $6.99 and it's 2-ounce bags. You can kind of see the glitter in there. Another roll of ribbon. This one is the skull head with the bones, crossbones. Reminds you of a pirate. And the last thing in here is an easy, fun, spectacular, all-inclusive diamond facet art kit. I've been wanting one of these. Oh my goodness. Not necessarily a Halloween one, but to do the little diamond pearl kit. And this is that's how you do it. You suck them up in the little tool and you put them in places. That is super cool. How much is this? No price, but I'm pretty sure it was probably like 20 bucks. I've been wanting to try one of these, so now I can try it and see if I like it before I go buy one of a different print that I might actually want to do. Super neat. That box was worth it. Alright, 3 more boxes. Let's see. Ooh, this is cool. It is a skull head table decor with a handle. It's $12.99. It's got to open. I guess put like some flowers or something in it. That's pretty cool. Some more picks, and these were $4.99 and $5.99. So let's see, 2 small and 2 big. A piece of a skeleton bone, like a spine. I don't know where the rest of it is. Maybe it's in the box, maybe not. More cobweb. A skeleton full body pick. Ooh, red moss with glitter. $6.99. I got 2 bags of that one. Kind of make it look like something's bloody. A boa, a feather boa. This was $8.99. Oh my goodness. I didn't think a boa would be almost $9. This is cute. It is a pet costume. It was $8.99 and it looks like a red mohawk with spike collar to put on your dog. This will definitely not fit my dog. This is an extra small. Stephanie, will this fit Miss Pebbles? Because I will definitely send that to her. Let me know. And then I got a black pumpkin for $20. And then another orange one for $20. These are super cool. Still didn't find the rest of it. Maybe there might be in another box. Then again, I could just have a piece of the back. Who knows? Let's see. Ooh. A bag of stickers. A foam stickers, 2 ounces. They are $7.99 and it's different color pumpkins. Got green glitter, orange glitter. There's some that are striped. Those are cool. More full-size skeleton picks. A mask, $9.99. A bird mask, I guess. What is this? A frog skeleton. That's super cool. And the head moves. And this was $7.99. That's pretty cool. I don't know. I guess it's, yeah, it moves. Like, it's not broken. It's supposed to move. Let's see. A cookie cutter. Coffin shaped. This was 99 cents. And it's the metal ones too. Another mask. And it was $9.99. Oh, we're getting somewhere with this skeleton, guys. I found, I'm assuming would be a foot and a bone. What bone is it? Does not say. Well, we got 2 more pieces. This is a DIY Halloween craft. It is a wooden coffin. And you can put a tea light inside of it. And it was $3. Some more moss, the red one, and a black glitter one. Ah, this is neat. It is like a mason jar, kind of. It's $5, and it is a skull, and it glows in the dark. Oh, love it. It's super heavy. So, I wonder how much they're going to fight over this. And by they, I mean the child and her daddy. Because, yeah. Another black pumpkin. Oh, I could put vinyl on that and make it cute. Another orange pumpkin. Oh, a Tiny Treasures Rest in Peace ghost. This can go in the fairy garden for next Halloween when they decorate. And it was $4.99. A pick of fall flowers. $14.99 for this pick. Wow. It's pretty, but that's kind of pricey for a pick. Let's see. We got another skeleton head. And these were $2.99. So the other one that I found without a price tag was not $5. It was $2.99. Excuse me. Oh, this is cool. It's jute twine. 0.11 inches by 9 foot, and it was $3. Let's see. A coiled garland, fall, 5 foot. It was $12.99. That's pretty. It feels really cool. Alright, and last thing in this box are window gel clings that were $5.99, and it is the bloody hands. That's pretty nifty. Alright, guys, we are down to our last box. Man, Michael's did a good job packing these things. Let's see if we can find a few more bones to maybe complete a leg. or something. I don't know. I don't know what we got going on here. You would think they'd put that all in one box. That way whoever bought the box could complete a skeleton. Alright, this one doesn't have too much in it. It is some more moss, purple glitter, $6.99 each. Another pick. And 2 that are not on the picks. And these were $2.99. Oh, I didn't even notice. It actually moves. That is cool. What is this? Oh, 2 more orange pumpkins. I'm gonna be full of pumpkins. I'm gonna have to give some of these away. Ooh, this is cute. Home Sweet Haunted Home. It's a wooden sign. Hocus Pocus. $9.99. The cute stripes, and it has. Feels like it would be a pretty solid wood. It is made by Ashland. That is super cute though. A loose skull that fell off of one of the picks. So that one that I had somewhere without one, now I have one. And the last thing in this box. Oh my goodness. Beware, enter at your own risk. And this was $34.99, guys. Let's see if it lights up. The batteries might be dead. It says it lights up, so I'm gonna have to change the batteries, I guess. Or maybe I can disconnect this. Let's see. Does it have batteries in it already? Whoops. Come on, disconnect. Yeah, I'm gonna have to change the batteries, guys. But super cool. This thing's pretty big too, and it has where you can hang it. To me, that wouldn't feel sturdy. But they do have the hooks that you hook it onto the wall with. It's pretty wide in width. But $35, and all I'm gonna have to do is replace the batteries. That is not bad at all, guys. Let's see. Is there any batteries in there? No, that's why. There's no batteries in there. So, I will have to find batteries and see what this sucker does. Well, that is all I have from my Michael's Grab Box haul. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Run out to your stores, see if they still have some, because this is some pretty good stuff in here, guys. Definitely can make floral arrangements and pop some skulls in them. Pumpkins galore. So yeah. Yes, yes, yes. Unfortunately, I did not complete the skeleton, so I have 3 pieces. But maybe I can use these. I did buy some of those, the little tombstones, the styrofoam ones from Walmart. Maybe I can like stick a foot where it looks like it's coming out of the grave in the yard. Or a backbone or something. That'd be pretty cool. Or if I can find a dog. Like a Halloween kind of creepy dog. And put the bone in his mouth. That'd be cool too. What ideas would you do with this? Other than throw it away? Because I just feel like I can't throw it away. I can use this. There's got to be some kind of creative thing to do with it. Well, anyway, I will stop rambling now. Yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. If you are new, thank you for stopping by. Please hit that subscribe button and the post notification bell so you don't miss anything when I do post. Everyone else, thanks for coming back. I love you guys. Wouldn't be here without y'all. So I will see you guys later. Bye.